What are some of the indications for aortic valve replacement surgery, and what should we be thinking about? When thinking about aortic valve replacement surgery and exactly some of the factors that you want to be evaluating with echocardiography, these can be broken into 5 major categories. The first is the patient symptomatic. Are they short of breath, having exertional dyspnea? Number 2 is their LV dysfunction or decreasing ejection fraction. Number 3, is there progressive LV dilation and remodeling? Number 4, what is the dilation status of the ascending aorta? And number 5, is the patient having other cardiac surgery and they have moderate or severe aortic regurgitation that we need to consider intervening on as well? Let's look at some of the 2020 AHA-ACC aortic valve replacement indications. If a patient has severe symptomatic aortic regurgitation, that is a class 1 indication for replacement. Patients with severe AR with symptoms have a high risk of death if AVR is not performed. If a patient has severe asymptomatic aortic regurgitation, if the LVEF has dropped below 55 or a patient is undergoing any other cardiac surgery, this is a class 1 recommendation for aortic valve replacement surgery. Outcomes are better if the AVR is performed before symptoms occur if the EF has dropped below 55%. If the LVEF is above 55% and the LV end systolic diameter is above 50 millimeters, or if it's proportional to body surface area, this is a class 2A recommendation for AVR. A patient who has normal LVEF and increased LV end systolic diameter is showing significant LV remodeling, and this is associated with development of symptoms and development of LV systolic dysfunction. Finally, if there is decrease of LVEF to less than 55 to 60% or increase in LV end diastolic diameter greater than 65 millimeters on 3 TTE studies, and the patient is low surgical risk, this is a class 2B recommendation for AVR. A few other categories: if a patient has moderate aortic regurgitation and is undergoing other cardiac surgery, this is a class 2A recommendation for AVR. And let's not forget about the ascending aorta here. If you have an AVR planned and you find an ascending aortic aneurysm greater than 4.5 centimeters, that ought to be intervened upon and replaced at an experienced center, or if it's greater than 5 centimeters at any center. And this is a class 2A recommendation as well.